Good morning. I cannot believe it is already day 13. 13 is my lucky number, so hopefully we'll find something good to get into today. That's where we're headed. As long as there's not an event there we don't know about right now. Wait, you can bring a dog out here?
Apparently.
A dog poopy thingy. This place is so badass.
That's new.
Yes, it is new. That wasn't here last time.
I guess
they're trying to build up.
That's the welcome center, I bet you.
Yeah, they're trying to build new stuff like that.
Okay. That's pretty cool looking. The visitors center. Okay.
Okay, before we get out and explore, I'm going to tell you, Sloss Furnace it used to be an old pig iron factory. It ran from 1882 to 1971, and Birmingham is an iron city. It was built on the iron industry. Sloss is actually well known to be haunted, if you believe in spirits or ghosts. Sloss has been featured on Scariest Places on Earth, Ghost Adventurers, Ghost Hunters, and Ghost Asylum. So it's well known, and I'm sure you could look up. I'm going to try to find links to post, but I'm sure you can look up and find clips online.
In the Fright Furnace.
And every Halloween, there is actually a haunted house here that is very popular, and it's called Sloss Fright Furnace. We're going to go this year. I've actually never been to the Fright Furnace. I've gone to Atrox before, but I'm going to post link down below to Sloss Fright Furnace, so if you're in the area and you're interested in going, you can check it out. So we're going to start exploring. This is an old coal bin. Sorry if the wind is going to cause some issues. Let's walk down here, babe. We can come back and see the cranes on. Yeah, you would know the minute that I start doing this, it's getting windy. Which will interfere with the microphone, but oh well. Historic black bathhouse. Wow. They have tables and chairs up there? They must have a little diner up there.
Apparently. Okay.
Yeah, I see it now.
Okay, cool.
It used to not be like this.
Well, it's actually good that they're doing this.
Yeah.
It's telling people to come here.
Seriously, if you're into old industry or shit, if you just like rusty stuff like we do, this is definitely steampunk. This is definitely a place to come. When I get my steampunk outfit together, we're gonna come down here and do a photo shoot. So we need to get you some goggles too.
Yeah.
Oh, this place is so awesome. Ooh, you can tell it's been raining. All right, look at this. God, this is so badass.
That's where the hot molten coal would flow down.
I love things like this. Just moss growing out of the bricks. Isn't that incredible? I think I'll go through and video, and then I'll come back through and take some still pictures. Look at this.
A lot of people get pictures here. It's cool.
Probably a photography class.
Ah. Look at this.
You hear the dripping water? It says restricted area, so I better not go up there. Oh my god, that's badass. Hold on, I gotta take a still picture of this.
There's something growing out the side of the brick.
Oh, that's freaking cool. It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. I love hearing the trains here. That's epic. If you come out here, wear boots. There's a lot of rusty stuff.
Sure he's okay. Well, nice meeting you. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Take care of that foot.
Yes, there have been some people. I know the guys from Ghost Hunters climbed up there, and so did Ghost Adventurers. Adam the Woo went up there too, didn't he?
Yeah.
Adam's awesome. I can't say much for the ghost people. I don't know them, but Adam is awesome. Look at this. God! This is just freaking cool.
Now, story, one of the old urban legends here is that in one of these chimneys, I don't know if it was these or those, but there was a very well hated person that worked here, and apparently he's one of the ghosts that stays here because someone pushed him down one of these things and he fell to his death. I can't think of his name.
I used to
know his name.
I also heard a legend that during one of the concerts out here, people looked up and saw his ghost on top of one of the towers.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, take that as you may. Car to Morris Avenue, I'll bring my camera. What have you found, Mr. Man? Holy crap, that's big.
I'm shocked it's not rusted shut.
God, these things are so huge. Look at this. This is the stuff I love. Sloss is an amazing place. So full of history.
How long do you think this has been in there?
A hell of a long time. Is that an answer?
Yeah, long time, yeah.
No, a hell of a long time. I just wish people wouldn't write crap on there.
I know it.
Hate graffiti. I hate it. Oh man, come here, babe. I'm gonna have to get some still pictures right here. Oh my god, I gotta get some still
This place
pictures
is
right
so
here.
Cool.
Whichever way. Check out these teeth.
Yeah, I know. I saw that.
I cannot wait.
I know.
I love these.
Look how high that's going up.
Wow.
That's cool.
That sucks. Broken bottle.
Oh, look, watch.
What am I standing under?
It's really hard to turn.
I can't believe it's moving.
What is this I'm pulling up?
I don't know.
It's like a guillotine almost.
I know, right?
That has worked me out. I don't know what it is, but it's cool.
Ooh, watched it.
I can't believe it still works.
Oh my God. Look in here. Oh my God, I wish we could go in there. Matt,
What?
come look in here. Look at that.
That's cool.
Isn't that cool? I wish we could go in there.
I know.
Thank you, broken window. We can.
Awesome.
Oh my God, last time we couldn't. This was closed. Oh man, it's real musty.
I've never been in this room. As many times as I've been here, I've never been in this room before.
It's very musty in here, but I love it. Oh, I bet they're gonna do. You want to think that that's a electric chair or something? I've never been to the Fright Furnace. Do they have people walk? They don't have people.
in this room or not.
Oh my
It does.
It smells like mold, rust, bricks, and like seriously old, like graveyard dirt, like old dirt. Oh my God.
Look at all these views.
I'm gonna have to take some still pictures real quick.
Yeah, this is. Go straight or down here?
Let's go straight and then come back the other way.
Oh man. Look at all these gauges.
Oh, I love gauges.
These are old.
Hold on, babe. That's not easy to do with no hands.
Hey, look. Whatever it is, it's definitely locked up.
Oh, I'm not surprised there.
So cool.
Those are steep. This is so badass. Yeah, my hands smell like swing set chain.
Mm-hmm.
You're smarter than me. You come down backwards the way you're supposed to. You and your turning stuff. The hell? Wow.
This is cool.
This is just cool, guys. I know we're spending a lot of time in this one building, but we've never been able to come in here before, so this is all new to us.
Let's go check out this side.
Hold on, hold on. Man, this is so freaking cool. I can't stand it. Look at these old fuses. Check it. This reminds me of the Resident Evil playable chart.
Yeah.
Doesn't it? Oh, man. I am loving this.
It's a bigger ranch. Look at that.
Holy crap. How in the bejeebers do you even use something like that?
I don't know.
I tell you, I think Philip and Troy will like this stuff.
Yeah. Look at the size of this wheel.
Holy cow. That is wild. The GE.
All the old generators.
GE, we bring good things to life.
Here's another one. Look at the size of those things.
That's crazy. Oh man, I really need to come up here with my camera.
Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta take some still pictures. Right here. Well, here's this goes out. Right here.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Man, I can't believe this was open.
I
How
know.
badass was that? God.
That was cool.
Hell yeah, it was. Coming out right here is cool too. It's like you look up in the windows and you expect to see something looking back at you.
Yeah.
I swear this is absolutely the coolest place in Birmingham. Oh.
Over here is that tunnel.
He's some hard-working man. Hard-working man. Huh? I thought the
It says
tunnel.
the tunnel was up there. I thought it was back there.
No, it's up here.
We're right under the water tower.
Okay, she's up there. I want to go up there.
Where?
She just walked up here. We didn't even get to go up there last time, did we?
Uh-uh.
This is a photographer's haven.
Yep.
If you're into photography, this is the place to come.
There's a bunch of them out
You hear the
there now.
water down there? Yeah, there's a bunch of people out here doing photography right now. Is there anybody out there?
#1 furnace. This is where they do the concerts.
They used to. Now they've got a concert venue over there somewhere, like a little amphitheater thing.
This is where Marilyn Manson played.
Yeah, I know Marilyn Manson played here. Very cool. Marilyn Manson's been here. Whoa, that's pretty badass. I want to go up there so bad.
I know it.
Hi. Man, this place is so cool.
Oh, it's a good shot of this.
Yeah.
Look. Way up there.
Okay, let me take video first, and I'll take.
Let's go down and find the pump.
All right.
This meeting.
This is amazing. Look at the tools. Yeah.
I know it.
Check it. Excuse us. Boy, you thought the ones on that train were big. Look at these. God.
That's really cool though.
Just think about what the men that worked here went through.
Well, the man that worked here was strong as an ox.
I love the old brick. It's uneven. Very uneven after being worn for over a century. Okay, we're fixing to enter the haunted stock tunnel. And I believe this is where some EVPs have been caught in the past, if you believe in that sort of thing.
And this is a part of the Fright Furnace.
Yes, this is part of the Fright Furnace, which I'm absolute. Hold on. Ooh, look at that switch. Oh, so cool. Spider webs. Yeah. Hopefully you'll take some decent video down here. It is dark.
And wet, watch out.
And wet, yes. Oh, you said wet.
I love the old light cage.
I know, that's badass. Yeah, and the spider webs. Okay. Watch your hand. Here we are in the tunnel. Constantly running water.
Here, look. There's the old coal cars that rides up and down this track. They're way up there, you see them? That's what takes the coal up to the top.
That little bucket?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
They're like a mine car that's on a cable going up and down this track.
Ah.
Imagine being down here by yourself at night.
No thanks. Well, like I said, this is where a lot of the EVPs have been caught. Because, okay, they think the reasoning why a lot of the EVPs are caught here is because water is apparently like a conductor for spiritual energy. Usually in places where there's water, it seems to be easier for ghosts to appear, materialize. So That's the theory anyway. Of course, there is no hard science behind ghosts. It's all theory. But you have to start somewhere. So. Still pictures. Huh?
Over here.
Well, hold on. Oh, no, I want to go, but I want to take some still pictures.
Okay. I think if we walk off to the right, it'll be the left deep.
This is really deep. I don't know if I want to get mud on my boots and then walk up the stairs. Ugh. The Pepsi bottle pisses me off.
Yeah, me too.
I hate litterers. Especially in a place so badass and full of history.
Yeah.
If you're leaving trash, you're no better than the refuse you're leaving behind. Look at this. Sweet. This is for Phoenix, since he likes trains. Can you see up there?
Yeah.
What's up there? Here.
It's flat.
Well, at least show.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that.
Yeah, get a picture of that.
Yeah. Woo! Tricky, tricky. I'd be surprised if that opened. It's probably welded shut or frozen shut.
There's the engine.
As long as a raccoon don't fly out and bite my face. Baby, I can't. If you open that, I'm not going to be able to see. Oh my God! That's kind of scary, but it's really cool. The window's out. Like, hold on, I want to peek in with the camera. Or you can here. Just peek in and show everything in there. Alright. Oh, it stopped.
Let's go across the street where that old train car is.
Okay. Okay, we're coming up on some old coal cars for the railroad.
What is this? Oh, tracks.
That's badass.
Wow.
That is badass. Look at these. Holy cow. Man, trains are so cool. Yeah, I got hitchhikers on my boots. This is why you wear boots. Oh, look at that. That's why you wear boots. I really hope that y'all are enjoying this place as much as we enjoy it. This place is chock-a-block full of history and fun. Although, I'm sure not fun for the men that worked here. It was hot and dangerous. Very hard work. I have nothing but utmost respect for the men that worked at this furnace. This is going to be a very long vlog, but I don't care. It's just too cool to pass up, and it's too cool to really shorten. Oh, I'm sorry.
That's cool.
Looks like somebody unhooked part of that. Be careful. Want to go check out the cranes?
And then
The size of the sucker. What?
a big high-powered magnet that you see on at salvage yards.
Oh, hell yeah. Sweet. Don't let Heisenberg see it. Okay, I know last time I crawled up here somehow.
Yeah, we did.
Can you get up in there?
Huh?
Can you get up in there?
Hi.
All right, come out the hole over here. Come out here. Look at the bucket. Look at the size of the bucket.
I almost want to go up on that thing.
This is the new visitor center. I love that they did the industrial lighting and stuff.
Me too. Hang on.
Huh. And stuff that you didn't know existed.
You guys enjoy it. Thank you so much.
Huh? Hold on, babe.
That is cool.
Hey guys, y'all see the furnace today?
Yeah, we're just doing a little video.
Okay, well, I've got some good things to talk to you about. I should film.
I can't remember what these were for.
I don't know. Big good giant fire pit.
Something.
With all the bricks.
Yeah. And here we are with another train because we cannot resist them.
This one we can't climb on.
Yeah, we're not allowed to climb on this one. But it's still cool. I hate when people let their dogs hang out the window though. That is a no-no.
(1917) locomotive. That's cool. This one's bigger than the one from last weekend.
Yeah, it is.
This is a monster.
Yeah, this thing's huge.
It's way bigger.
of Sloss Furnace. I hope that y'all enjoyed it, and I hope that you look into the history. I'll at least post the link to the Wikipedia or something so you can read about it, because it's a very interesting place. There's so much history here. So I hope that y'all had fun, because we sure did. Bye.
I never get tired of going there.
Yeah, I really hope that they enjoy it.
I think they will.
It's such a cool spot.